What's good, wealth builders? If you're looking to take your business to the next level, having a website is a non-negotiable. I know everybody thinks, being on TikTok or YouTube or Instagram is where it's at, but in reality, having a website is like your digital storefront, open 24/7, ready to welcome potential customers from all over the world, right? It sounds exciting, right? I mean, shouldn't it? But I want to really break it down step by step so you can create a website that not only looks amazing, but works like a charm. You know what I mean? But before we do that,
allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is
Devon. Put in work, Burke, a business funding specialist, online marketer, family man, and fitness enthusiast. Yeah, I like to work out a little bit. You know what I mean? Also, the creator of thewealthbuilders.com. That's the wealthbuilders with a Z.com. The business website that will have you making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So go ahead, check that out. And if you're looking for business funding, go to thewealthbuilders.com/business-funding. The link is in the description. All right, enough of that, right? Enough of that. Let's get into how you can create a website for your business. Now, step one, know what you want, right? Not just you need a website or you want a website, but know what type of website, right? Like, what do you want your website to do? Is it going to showcase your services, sell products, or maybe just be a place where people can learn more about your brand? Knowing your goals and target audience will shape everything else, okay? From the type of website to what type of content you put on it, everything. So you need to write down 3 things your ideal website visitor would look for and make those your priorities. All right? Now, step 2, pick a domain name. You know what I mean? Your domain name is your online identity. So make it count. Keep it simple, memorable, and relevant to your business. Think thewealthbuilders.com, right? Very simple. So there's a few websites you can go to grab yourself a domain name. You can go to Namecheap, GoDaddy, Google Domains. I personally purchased mine through GoDaddy and Google Domains. That's where I go. Step 3, choose a hosting platform. Now, hosting is like renting space on the internet for your website. You know what I mean? Like you have a landlord, so the hosting company is like your landlord as you pay monthly. You can do shared hosting. This is perfect for beginners. Think like Bluehost, SiteGround, or even HostGator. I personally use HostGator and Bluehost. You can also do cloud hosting. This is scalable for growing businesses. You could do AWS, Google Cloud. It's a lot of different ones, right? You can do all-in-one builders also. This is the easy and hassle-free, right? You can do Wix, Squarespace, Shopify. Now, pick one that fits your budget and tech skills. And if you're just starting out, go simple. Again, I personally use Bluehost or HostGator. The link for either one is in the description below. Now, step 4, pick your builder, aka your website's toolbox. If you're tech savvy and love control, I would use WordPress. I personally use WordPress. That's how I build every site. I don't know any other site builder but WordPress. But for those who prefer drag and drop simplicity platforms, you can use Wix, Squarespace. This will save you time and headaches and a learning curve. And if you got products to sell, go to Shopify, all right? That's your best friend. Now, don't overthink this. Start with whatever feels comfortable to you, and you can always switch or upgrade at a later date, okay? Don't get stuck or scared or too, analytical on this one. Step 5, design your dream website. Now, this is the fun part. Well, for me at least, right? Pick a template, a theme, something that you really coincides with your logo, your brand colors. You can pick your fonts to make it all uniquely yours, all right? But you want to keep it simple at the same time. No one likes a cluttered website. Think clean, modern, and easy to navigate. Step 6, you got to have the essentials, right? Every business website needs a few must-have pages. You got homepage, that's your first impression, so make it count. Your about page, this is where you share your story and why your business rocks and what it does and who you are and all that good stuff, right? Then you got the service products page. Showcase what you sell, what you offer, what you provide. It could be a service, it could be a product, whatever the case may be. It got to be one specific page or multiple pages for that thing, for all things. Then you got a contact page. Make it easy for people to reach you. You want to have your your email address, maybe your phone number. If you have some type of, let's say, brick and mortar location, then you want to put that also, okay? And then optional, you can create a blog where you share tips, updates, and insights to keep your audience engaged, right? Now, step 6. This is a little more technical, but not so, right? If you ever heard of SEO, which is search engine optimization, right? This helps people find your website. So you use keywords for your audience, right, that they're searching for. You optimize your page titles and descriptions based on what they're searching for. Add alt text to your images. Keep your site fast and mobile friendly. But don't worry if this sounds overwhelming. Just start with the basics and build over time. I suggest to use YouTube as your friend, right? Search everything on YouTube and you will be just fine. Also, you want to make it mobile friendly, right? This is step 8. Over half of all web traffic comes from mobile devices. Test your site on phones, tablets, and desktops to make sure it looks great everywhere, right? You don't want it to just look great on mobile and be trash on desktops and vice versa. Step 9, track your progress. Install Google Analytics to see who's visiting your site and what they're doing. It's like having a crystal ball for your business. And tools like Hotjar can also show you where people click, scroll, and spend the most time. Okay, you want to, get that as you grow your business though. Step 10, launch and spread the word. It's go time, people. Double check everything. Links, spelling, images, then hit the publish button. Once your site is live, start promoting it. Share it on social media. Send an email blast to your network. List your business on Google My Business. Post your link on LinkedIn. Create a Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. You got to be everywhere, right? And step 11, keep it fresh. Your website isn't a set it and forget it deal. Update it regularly with new content. Tweak your SEO and add features as your business grows. Right, so there you have it. I know it's a lot. I know it's a lot, right? So what I did, I created a website, right? As y'all know, thewealthbuilders.com. So this is where I will put all this information. So you can go ahead and check out the link in the description and really read this step-by-step guide. That's so you have it in front of you and you can really set your website up if you haven't done already. All right, so thanks for watching. Right, until next time, Wealth Builders. It's the man, it's the myth, the Wealth Builder himself, signing on for how to build a website for your business. So, for all things business, check out thewealthbuilders.com today. And again, like I said, every step that I talked about in this video is in the wealthbuilders.com blog, all right? So go ahead, check out the link in the description. Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more. save more, build more.